everyone. Myself Anju. I'm from Bidar, where I have completed my graduation in the Bidar itself. Like after the completion of graduation, I have joined the JSPIDER in the month of August. After that, for the first 2 to 3 months, I have I have not attended any interviews. I want to gain the proper knowledge, so I was unable to attend any interviews and all. So after that, in the month of September, I given the Capgemini exams. Test I have cleared there. So in the month of December, I got offer letter. Now where about I'm telling JSPIDER. JSPIDER is a very helpful for me. It is a very good platform to learn technologies. Here the staffs and HRs, like our trainers and HRs and our attenders, everyone is very supportive and very they are very good. Mm-hmm. And then I thank specially to Keshav sir who taught Python as it was very easy. Python is very easy to learn, and sir taught us in that manner that everyone can understand it easily. And like Irshan sir is also there, so he taught us programming very well. And Sayed sir who taught us front end technologies JavaScript, HTML, CSS, all this very well. And Navneet sir, coming to Navneet sir, that he is our friend. Like he taught in the way that he's very good to he's just a friend to us. So he was all over the JSPIDER is very good platform to learn any technologies. Thank you.